How to fix Instagram DM bug on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and here click apps again. Now type Instagram. This one is for Android users. Then click Instagram. And now click for stop and go to permissions. Give it all of those permissions here. Don't forget microphone. And then go to storage and clear cache. That's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix it, and if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.